A very good morning, dear students. In the previous class, with regard to the earlier societies chapter, we had learnt about evolution of early humans, which we got to know through the help of archaeological sources, and archaeological sources along with that what fossil fuels and artifacts, tools, utensils, bones, and other remains of the early period. So the first evidence of human evolution can be traced by what? Where they found in Africa around 1.8 to 1.3 billion years ago. Due to what? With the help of the fossils. So the fossils of the early humans come entirely from Africa. So they traveled in all the direction, like in the purpose of what? Food, water, and shelter. So as they were moving, so for their day-to-day activities, they needed some of the equipments or the tools in order to gather for the food or the things which they are required actually. So when they were in search of food and shelter, they were using the tools for what? In order to gather some things. So during that time, as we use in our kitchen utensils like knife, chopper, cutters, scissors, they were not there. So what they were using? They were using the stones. So the early humans, as they were living in the natural environment, they doesn't have any apartment or the building or what we are in now. So they used to live in a caves, huts, maximum. They used to live within the open environment, open natural environment. So usually the first tool which they got was stone. So these stone, how the raw stone became now the metallic knife or the electrical chopper, or the factories how they use the machineries to prepare a mode of manufacturing or the production of the metallic items. So the drastic change from the stone age to the metallic age, how it came into force, that you are going to learn in this chapter. We've gone through the introduction already. So now we'll move on to the different stages of the stones. Okay. So dear students, in that we come across three kinds of Stone Age. One is Paleolithic Age, and the Mesolithic Age, and the Neolithic Age. Okay. So dear students, when we are going to study about the Stone Age, it has been classified into three. One is Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic, which you already know. Correct? So dear students, Paleo means what? Old. Mesio means middle. Neo means new. So the three stages: old, middle, and new. So now we are into the new. So coming to the Paleolithic age. What is Paleolithic age? It is the first phase or the starting stage, initial stage of the Stone Age. So dear students, as I said, Paleolithic age is the first stage in the Stone Age period. So as the people were needed to hunt and gathering the food, they need some equipment or some tool in order to gather the food. So they were using the stone. So they were lived in a temporary settlement like caves, as I said in the earlier, under the trees. So the tools which they were used was not refined. Basically they were using the stone. So ಕಲ್ಲು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಫೈನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ನೀಟಾಗಿರೋವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಲ್ were not there. However the shape of the, whatever the size and the shape of the stone they have got, they used to get that and they finish the work. So the tools in this period were not refined and they were basically stones as they were using. So what happened? They were not polished or carved. There were no exact design or the shape or the figure to that particular tool or the stones which they were using for their daily work. So the tools in this Paleolithic period were mainly flakes, that is small pieces of the stones, part of the stones that had been broken off bigger stone. And students, the tools were mainly used as weapon for what? Hunting and they were used to cut the meat and to tear the skin of the animals. So in the Paleolithic age, it is the first phase of the Stone Age. Tools were not refined. That means the stone was not completely refined. Particular figure or the shape of the design in the raw stone they were using. And the weapons in the sense the stone were using as weapons to hunt the animals and to tear the skin of the animals, and the same skin they were worn by the as a to cover up their body. This is all about Paleolithic age. So next, dear students, when we move further about to know about the Paleolithic age, again in the Paleolithic age we have three kinds. One is lower or early Paleolithic, then middle period or the middle Paleolithic period, and the upper or late Paleolithic period. So in the Stone Age we have three kinds. What are those? Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. Again when we consider the Paleolithic, again it has been classified into three. One is lower, second one is middle, and the third one is upper Paleolithic period. So each phase of this, that is each stages of this Paleolithic is differentiated, bifurcated, segregated what? On the basis of the tools or the weapons that developed during each phase. ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಲೆಲಿಥಿಕ್ ಏಜ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಲೋವರ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೆಲಿಥಿಕ್ ಏಜ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ when they were using the same stone were not used for the same purpose when they were moved to the middle age or the middle Paleolithic age and the upper Paleolithic age. That's why they have made differentiation like classification like lower, middle, upper. Okay.